Rahmanir Rahim. Alif Lam Mim. Dhalikal Kitab. La Raiba Fihi Hudan lil Muttaqin. There is a book, Holy Quran. The Allah says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif Lam Mim. Dhalikal Kitab. This is the book. There is no doubt. But we have so many conducted jalsa every day. Today conducted 2 times here and beside half kilometer in Ballabpur. But outcome zero. Outcome zero. What is this? In road side, our mother, our sister, our daughters is marketing high. Responsibility ala Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ala kullukum ra'ina kullukum asun ra'iyatihi. If your brother, it's your duty. You should protect your sister. If you're a son, you should protect your mother. If you are a father, you should protect your family. Otherwise, in the day of judgment, you will have to kill her. Who are you? Who are you? Why? Allah says, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. आपको बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए, इतना बड़ा पंडाल बनाने के लिए नहीं भेजा भाई मेरे. पहले इतने जलसे नहीं होते थे, लेकिन आज ये रस्म रवाज, ये स्टाइल देखा देखी कि अकमाल मिफ्ताही कर रहे हैं तो बगल में और हमारे पास पैसा हम भी करेंगे. नो नीड. एक जलसा करिए और इतना बड़ा करियर, इतना अच्छे अच्छे उलमा को लाइए. जो फजूल बातें करेंगे उसका तो नाम होना ही नहीं चाहिए. अल्लाहु अकबर. हाउ कैन पॉसिबल? सो मेनी लेक्चरर, दे आर नुटूरे एंड फुटूरे and they have arrived in Pakur, in Ahle Hadith Palace. How can possible? Joker? It's not a joker, okay? It's a great palace by Jalsa, open theater. It's a display all over the world. How can dare you? You have choose without any ulama kiram. You haven't idea what is the meaning of Suratul Fatiha, Suratul Nas, and you have conducted Jalsa. Allah की कसम आप तो माफ नहीं किए जाएंगे. जलसा करने के बाद और ज्यादा गुनाह सीन आप कर रहे हैं. इससे अच्छा है कि घर में बैठ के अच्छे अच्छे उलमा किराम यूट्यूब में देखकर लैपटॉप में आप घर पे सुन लीजिए. सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट ऑल माय उलमा किराम, all Arabic scholar, please change our mindset. Change our mindset. Only we have to provide among the students quality education. No, doesn't matter. मदरसा नहीं खोलना है, स्कूल ज्यादा नहीं खोलना है, बट एक ही खोलिए पाकुड़ के सरजमीन पर, मगर क्वालिटी करना चाहिए कि टाइगर निकलेगा वहां से, शेर निकलेगा जी. एक मदरसा बनाइए और तमाम अच्छे अच्छे तालिब इल्म को डालिए और उसको बनाइए. देखिए मदरसे के बच्चे अल्लाह की कसम वो फाड़ के रखेंगे. बट एट फर्स्ट वी शुड चेंज आवर माइंडसेट एंड वी शुड चेंज आवर सिलेबस. वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह.
वक़ाल नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम व शर्रुल उमूरि मुहदसातुहा व मुहदसतिन बिदअह व कुल्लु बिदअतिन दलाला व कुल्लु दलालतिन फिन्नार. तमाम तारीफात और तौसीफात उस अल्लाह रब्बुल इज्जत के लिए कि जिन्होंने मुझे suddenly he has sent me that you have to say something in front of the community, especially Ahle Hadith and the land of end of Pakur district. That's today I would like to give a congratulation and so many thanks my respected Fazilatul Sheikh Akmal Hussain Al-Miftahi and all respected guests and ulama kiram. Especially I would like to give my thanks, so many thanks, those people who have arrived there for hearing Islamic lecture by different educationists of Arabic scholar. Today I am very happy to see that organization, because you will find so many jalsa, so many speeches. I think the Pakur is the most important palace for Ahle Hadith. This land where we are sitting on the floor and the grass, this is the root of Ahle Hadith. That's why, secondly, I would like to thank so many congratulations. The son of Tiger, marhum, late, my maternal grandfather, Fazilatul Sheikh, Maulana Abul Hassan Qasimi. He has left his son that he is alive. That means son of Tiger. Time only short, no need speeches. Only 3 minutes, 5 minutes is enough. If our mind set up, at first I would like to request to all my people, all my respected Muslim community, especially young person, young people, all educated person, because our mindset that Jalsa, what do you mean Jalsa? Jalsa means, it's the Arabic word, open classes. It's also a classes conducted by ulama kiram, purely learned by Hadith and Quran. That's why we are organized so many things. So many YouTubers are present today. I would like to request all presentative, only we should display among the community all over the world which is pure, not every types of jalsa. Okay, please try to understand. Never said everything. What will be better for community, what will be better for education. That's why I would like to request you, please share those things. What is right? At first you should learn what is right and what is wrong. Because you will find the Holy Quran, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Alif Lam Mim, Dhalikal Kitab, La Raiba Fihi Hudan lil Muttaqin. There is a book, Holy Quran. The Allah says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Alif Lam Mim.